In this tutorial, I will show you how to add text-to-speech to Canva videos for free. First, open your Canva video project. Now open a new browser tab and go to a free text-to-speech tool like VoiceMaker. Type your script in the text box. Choose a voice and preview it. Once you're happy, click on Convert to Speech. Download the audio file as MP3. Now go back to Canva and open the Uploads tab. Click on Upload Files and select your MP3 file. Wait for it to upload. Drag the audio file onto your video timeline. Adjust the position so it matches your video. Trim or move the audio if needed. Play the video to check the timing. Once everything looks good, click on Share and then Download. Choose MP4 format to export your video. That is how you add text-to-speech to Canva videos for free.